Díogad agus fáilte arás. Let's see if you know the Irish for the following words. Sunglasses, a trophy, a vacuum cleaner, an owl, and a printer. Let's start off with the first one there, which was sunglasses. The Irish word for sunglasses is spéaclaí gréine. Spéaclaí gréine. You would use sunglasses, of course, if you were blinded by the sun. So if you wanted to say she was blinded by the sun, bhí sí dáilte ag an ngrian. Bhí sí dáilte ag an ngrian. She was blinded by the sun. He kept his sunglasses on. Chuinnig sé a spéaclaí gréine ar. Chuinnig sé a spéaclaí gréine ar. Next we have this here, which is a trophy. The Irish word for trophy is corn. Corn. And mar hampla, the World Cup would be corn on down. Corn on down. She won the trophy again without trouble. Bhuaigh sí an corn arís gan straw. Bhuaigh sí an corn arís gan straw. She won the trophy again without trouble. And here we have a vacuum cleaner. The Irish word for vacuum cleaner is Flush Glantor. Flush Glantor. If you wanted to say I vacuumed or I hoovered the room, you could say this. Rinne me an siomra a lush glana. Rinne me an siomra a lush glana. Next we have a picture here of an owl. The Irish word for owl is ulcavan. Ulcavan. The owl let out a hoot, or the owl let out a screech. In Irish that would be Lig an ulcavan screach as. Lig an ulcavan screach as. And before we go on to the next one, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of this video, where I will replay all the pictures again so you can test yourself to see if you remember the Irish words. Okay, next we have this, which is a picture of a printer. The Irish for printer is printer. Printer. And a colour printer is printer data. Printer data. The printer wasn't working properly, or the printer wasn't working correctly. Ní raibh an printer ag obrú I gceart. Ní raibh an printer ag obrú I gceart. The printer wasn't working correctly. Okay, let's see if you can remember the Irish words again. I'm going to replay all those pictures and now you can test yourself. So here we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section what your favourite words are and how you're getting on with your Irish language learning. Gurb mágad agus slán go fóill. Thank you and bye for now.